to the channel and another episode of our Ford plant series. Please stick this out a little bit because we'd kind of like your opinion on this. This is sort of a we're not positive about. But anyways, we are talking about a welder again, but this time it's a spot welder, not a stick welder like our former welder problem, if you will. But anyways, this is the lower rocker pinched where it meets the inner rocker and the outer rocker comes together. This is some obvious damage from where the car had hit something. This is the bottom, by the way, of our 63 Mercury Monterey. And as you come down, there's a little wowie right here, and that's obviously from an impact that was from the outside. And it's actually, the problem is not so much on this one, but you do see these little raised areas here. I'll bring it in if I need to so you can see them clear. But the problem's not on this side. So we have a couple of these going on here. This one looks like it might have been an impact. But anyways, as we come along here, when we were sandblasting this, we thought this had been curbed really badly because of all these impact marks along here. And we thought, well, I guess we got our work cut out for us trying to fix all these because I don't know how many are there, probably about 15 or so. But when we looked at it closer, we could see that. I'm going to bring you in, actually. Let's see if you can see nice and close. There. So all of these, the other side of them, or the other side that was pinched together, the spot welds are down almost a ½ an inch here. And they don't disrupt the upper lip that should be folded over the inner rocker. And these are all spot welds that hit quite high, and it crushed the fold-over lip. So, of course, it's a bit of a challenge to fix. It can be fixed for sure, but our question becomes, is this just part of the car the way it was manufactured, and should we put no effort into this at all to repair it? I mean, it is the way the car was stamped together, obviously. We don't know if they couldn't get the two rocker halves to fit nice and tight, or, you know, who knows? I mean, it was 60 years ago when this was done. But we'd love to know your opinion. Is this just a leave it alone? It's one of the car's anomalies from these years. Do you have one? Have you ever noticed that yours is done like this as well? By all means, leave a comment. We'll like to know your opinion, like to know if you've seen it before, and it'll help us move on. Our intention was originally to fix it, but now we're kind of questioning whether it's one of those other things, you know, like our crooked hood ornament, that's a factory crooked thing, and based on all of your guys' input, we've actually decided to leave it crooked, the way the car was built. So let us know. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.